5.5-inch mobiles are still in trend. Few years back, some of us didn't even think to buy those large screen devices. Now, the time has changed, but not our hands and fingers for those large screen devices. Sometimes, we face problems on using Chrome browser with a single hand. That's why Google has developed a new update for their users. Hello guys, this is Kunal Sehgal from Kite Hacks, and in this video, I will drive you through the latest Chrome update. First of all, we need to update Google Chrome app to the latest version. So from Google Play Store, search for Chrome. And now click on Update. Once the app is updated, open it. As you can see, this is still the old looking Chrome interface. To get the updated user interface of the app, we need to type Chrome flags in the search bar. Now on this page, search for Home. Then you will see a list of settings. Now from this list, enable Chrome Home, enable Chrome Home Promo, and last but not the least, Chrome Home Doodle. Now leave the rest as it is and click on the Relaunch Chrome button. After the relaunch of the app, you will see this pop up. Yes, this is the new update. Now click on Try It and boom! The search bar is at the bottom now, and now the bookmarks, news, downloads and all other options are easily accessible from the bottom, even on a large screen device. The best thing I like the most about this update is now you can switch tabs just by sliding left or right on the tabs button. Yes, I know this feature is also on the previous versions, but the thing is, now this feature is much more easily accessible. Now you guys may think this feature will interfere while browsing, like accidentally clicking on the search bar while scrolling. But don't worry, the search bar hides as soon as you scroll down the page, as you can see. So thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you do, then smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see such more videos. This is Kunal Sehgal signing off.